Hello children, this is social studies class. Today again we are going to learn from the geography part. Lesson number 12, Inside Our Earth. Earth is a dynamic planet and the only astronomical object known to sustain the life. Life exists only on the planet Earth. It formed over 4.5 million years ago. The year of the Earth is 4.5 million years. It is undergoing changes inside and outside. There are many changes happened inside and outside the Earth. So we have only limited knowledge about the inside of the Earth. Geologist, a person who studies the structure of the earth is known as a geologist. Geologists collect information from inside the earth or the material which we can see outside the earth. You have ever wondered what lies below the earth crust? What type of things are available in the interior of the earth? You may have wondering what is inside the earth. आपने कभी सोचा है क्या इनसाइड अर्थ का इनसाइड में क्या रहते हैं? मे बी यू माइट बी wonder about this. It is not possible to reach the center of the earth because it is very hot, and the temperature of the center of the earth is that 5000 degrees Celsius. Therefore, it is impossible to get direct information about the interior of the earth. But geologists collected some information from where they can collect the information from the density of the materials which comes comes from the interior of the earth, and the behavior of the earthquake waves. Through that they can study about the interior of the earth. It is known now that earth behave like a solid body up to the depth of about 2900 kilometer from the surface. The solid portion of the earth is 2900 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम द सरफेस. जहाँ पे आप खड़ा रहते हैं वहाँ से 2900 किलोमीटर इनसाइड तक इट इज solid form. Then after that the molten rocks are there. Okay, earth is not composed of uniform material. The materials of the inner layer are heavier than that of the outer layer. The materials of the earth that is different, and the inner layer of the earth means the inner layer means that core and mantle, it's that is heavier than the outer layer. Outer layer means the crust, lithosphere. Last lesson we learned about the lithosphere. Okay, let's see the interior of the earth. Earth is an almost spherical body which with a radius of 6400 kilometers. It is the radius of the earth. Earth interior is made up of a series of layers. Many layers are there. It is just like an onion. Okay, there are many layers in onion like that. Our earth also is like that. You can compare the earth with an onion about its structure. Like an onion, earth is made up of several concentric layers. One center is there and many layers are there. Okay, like that crust, mantle, outer core, inner core, like that. Many layers are there. Okay, there are three main layers, that is core, mantle and crust. The core is the densest part of the earth. Core means सबसे अंदर है, that is the densest part of the earth. Then mantle, then crust. The crust, solid outermost layer, is called the crust. It is also known as lithosphere. We in last lesson we learned about this lithosphere. So outermost layer of the earth is known as crust. There are two type of crust: the continental crust below the landforms and the oceanic crust below the ocean. Two type of crust are there: continental crust and oceanic crust. Continental crust means it is below the landform. Okay, below the continent, and the oceanic crust, it is below the ocean. Okay, the continental layer is about 35 kilometer thick, while the oceanic crust is about 5 kilometer. The thickness of continental layer is 35 kilometer, and the thickness of oceanic crust is only 5 kilometer, because water is there. The continental crust is made up of mainly silica and alumina. These are the two minerals. Okay, therefore it is also called Sial. Sial means silica plus alumina. Okay, the continental crust is made up of two minerals, that is silica and alumina. So it is known as Sial. And the oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium. Hence it is called Sima, means silica and magnesium. So continental crust consists of granite rock and basaltic rocks, while the oceanic crust consists of basaltic rocks and gabbro. Gabbro means a type of rock. The earth crust is made up of 7 large plates known as tectonic plates. So the earth crust, the oceanic crust and continental crust is made up of many large plates. There are 7 large plates. These plates are known as tectonic plates, which move about independent over the astrosphere. Means जहाँ पे ओशियानिक क्रस्ट एंड कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट एक एस्थेनोस्फीयर में, एस्थेनोस्फीयर द अपर पार्ट ऑफ द मैंटल, वहाँ पे वो ऐसे विच मूव अबाउट इंडिपेंडेंट ऐसे मूव होते रहते हैं, दिस क्रस्ट. Then first, so we learn about the crust. Crust means the outermost layer of the earth, and two type of crust are there: continental crust and oceanic crust. Continental crust, the thickness of continental crust is 35 kilometer, and oceanic crust thickness is only 5 kilometer. And the continental crust is made up of silica and alumina, and the oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium, and there are 7 large plates. The earth crust is made up of 7 large plates. It is known as tectonic plates. Now the second part is mantle. Just beneath the crust is the mantle, which is about 2900 kilometer thick. Mantle thickness of mantle is 2900 kilometer thickness. We already learned that the solid portion of the earth is 2900 kilometer, means it is included crust and mantle. It is mainly made up of iron and magnesium, and other heavy materials also are there, but important materials are iron and magnesium. Temperature of this mantle is near the crust, means above the crust का जो पास का पार्ट में 1800 डिग्री सेल्सियस है इसका टेम्परेचर, एंड नियर द कोर तो इनसाइड में 2800 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर है. मैग्मा इज फाउंड इन दिस लेयर. मैग्मा वी नो इन द अर्थक्वेक होते समय बाहर जो निकलते हैं उसको बोलते हैं मैग्मा. मैग्मा इज फाउंड in this layer, in the mantle. The upper part that lies just below the crust is called asthenosphere, which is the zone of molten rock. So the upper part of this mantle, आपको मालूम है पहले crust है, crust की नीचे mantle है. जो crust and mantle की जो जहाँ पे start होते हैं, that is asthenosphere. Okay, it is molten rock. So next is core. The earth core lies below the mantle, in huge in size, with radius of 3500 kilometer. That is core. The innermost part of the core is solid, while the outer part are liquid. We already learned that the 2900 kilometer it is solid portion of the earth, but the innermost part of the core का सबसे अंदर it is in solid form. Okay, outer part is liquid form. The core consists of heavy metals like nickels and iron, and therefore it is also known as knife. Nickels and iron. Nickels and ferrous, that is iron. So it is known as knife. The mass of core is equal to 1/3 mass of the earth. The temperature varies from 2200 degrees Celsius to 5000 degrees Celsius. So the core का जो temperature है 2200 डिग्री सेल्सियस से लेके 5000 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक उतना टेम्परेचर है वहाँ पे. एंड द मास मीन्स वो मास बहुत ज़्यादा है वहाँ पे. द मास ऑफ द कोर इज इक्वल टू 1/3 मास ऑफ द अर्थ. अर्थ में जितनी मास है उसकी 1/3 ओनली कोर में हम देख सकते हैं. सो टुडे वी लर्न अबाउट द इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ. There are 3 main layers: core, mantle and crust. Okay, thank you.